What have you made of just how long this phase one trade negotiation has dragged on for, and how sanguine the price action seems to be, how the views of investors and economists around this, I wouldn't go as far as saying complacent, that could be your judgment call, just seems to be a lot more calm around this story than there was a couple of months ago, even though we haven't really seen anything material come out of either side?
Oh, I'll own complacent. I'm happy to take that term from you, because I completely agree. The market is just assuming that the president has to get this deal done and that the trade hawks are going to get overruled and his base political instinct is going to take over, which says that if farmers continue to be under stress, if the economy continues to underperform, that he's going to have trouble winning in November 2020. I think that's what the market is betting everything on. Problem with this president, he is unpredictable, and something could irritate him, and the whole trade deal could blow up, and we could be restarting this process and looking to try to get an interim deal sometime later, middle of next year.
To be clear here, Jaret, you think just on impulse alone, the president could blow up the phase one negotiations? It would have nothing to do with the Chinese raising the price of, saying it's not just about delaying tariffs, it's about rollback, it's just about impulse.
Well, I mean, but it's how he reacts to the Chinese making demands and how he believes that this is playing politically for him in the United States, right? This is a president that always likes to look strong. He doesn't want to look like he's giving in to the Chinese. And so if the Chinese overplay their hand and they start making more public demands, or if they start walking away from agreements that the president believes they have made or commitments they have made, I would not be surprised if we take the ball away and we come back and we start this process again in a couple of months.
Well, let's wrap things up there, Jaret. Do you think the Chinese are overplaying their hand right now?
No, actually, I think that the Chinese probably want to cut a deal, this interim deal with Trump, as much as Trump wants to cut this deal. The problem is that there's political considerations in China and there's political considerations in the United States. And the fact that the impeachment process is just going to be heating up, it really makes this far less predictable than we're used to, which is why, to circle back to your comment a couple of minutes ago, complacency is the real danger here.